In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. So here we have some text. And it says, how do you wrap? Well, up the top it says, how do you wrap text? And we've got some more. There must be an easy way. But again, you can't see it because you need to wrap the text. Let me show you how to do it. Click in the cell, then go to Format, Wrapping, and choose Wrap. And there we have it. I'll show you, in fact you can do it on all of them if you want, to highlight all of them. Format, Wrapping, Wrap. There is another way of doing it though, so you just put a lot of text in here. So hello, my name is Alan and please subscribe. So there we go, that's gone over the cell. I've got my text, I've selected in the cell, and the icon for this is this one here, which is text wrapping. Click on that. Choose that one there, which is wrap, and there we go, job done. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.